Alrighty, let's start doing it. Where are we at? What is up, everybody? Why? What is that other noise? What the heck is that? Alrighty, let's start doing it. That's what it is. Alright, found it. I was wondering what the heck my computer was picking up. It was me. Alrighty. Oh, how you doing, Dr. Techno? Hayden, how you doing? Rave. No, I did not see or hear about this meme coin. That's absolutely insane. DZ just wants some degen. We'll check it out. We will check it out. Oh, man. Scott, hey, Porky, can you check XCN? Sure. That thing has gone ape shit. If that's the one I'm thinking of, that's up like crazy. Which, honestly, it's up too much. But we'll look at it, I guess. Oh, man, it's up absolutely insane. I don't know what news it got, but jeez. Right now, I do know Bitcoin is devastating my trade I just got into. Absolute shit town USA here, because we were on a breakout, but it is what it is. Dr. Techno, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. I do appreciate that. You know, it's funny with these super chats because it mixes into like the YouTube payouts. So it's like every month I get to see it. It's wild. Anyways, so looking at Bitcoin right now, we are hitting major overhead resistance. It is a weekly overhead resistance that we are fighting against. It is the highest weekly overhead resistance Bitcoin has ever seen. So right now, if it decides to cool off, it would make all the sense in the world. However, it would be your first lower high, which would not be great. Would not be great. Especially after a weekly bearish divergence, that would not be a good time. Because that would mean we could go down. So let's hope by Sunday we actually create a higher high and we negate this high right here by blasting off and getting all the way up to 133,000. Let's just see what happens. But right now on the weekly, we're looking just fine. We got another day and 21 hours till this thing closes out. But things are looking really strong going into the inauguration day. Your daily right now, not much to be worried about. We are not overbought. We're just kind of chilling. We are firmly broken out of this downtrend. It is capable for us to come back down to 99,515 and still be absolutely bullish. But it would be a formal backtest, which would be nice to see, honestly. Let's go ahead and check out the 4-hour time frame, see if this thing's really gonna pull back.
Holy shit.
HQZ, thank you so much for re-upping the membership. I appreciate you. Didn't realize I was on notice, but I'm glad that I earned your membership once again. HQZ, I do appreciate that. Yellow, what is up? So, looking at the 4-hour time frame, oh Jesus. Oh, thank goodness. All right. I thought we had hidden bearish divergence. That would have been awful. Or actually just bearish divergence. But anyways, we do not. We are good. That was a higher high. Now we're just looking to consolidate a little bit, which is normal. Got a little overbought on the 4-hour. Checking out your 1-hour. No bearish divergence? No bearish divergence on the 1-hour. This is just consolidation. Wow. Bitcoin's not done yet. Okay. Damn. Checking out, I don't look at the 30-minute. Checking out the 15-minute. We are almost oversold. Your thoughts on Spell, please? Hayden, I will look at Spell. Don't you worry. Supposedly Trump launched a coin on Solana. Yeah. Who was that? Rave ended up mentioning that, and apparently it's already at a 2 billion market cap. Hey man, can you check Iran, all those, and TLT? Sure, we'll check them out. Iran, MSTR, MSTX, TLT. You know, fast trades, those are stocks. They don't move that fast. But yeah, we will check them all out for you. No worries. No worries. Oh, Mystery cooking. All right, 3 billion, I think. It's up to 3 billion now. That's insane. Apparently it did that in 2 hours. Nuts. Hayden, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. I do greatly appreciate you. But noted to you guys, if you want YouTube to not take any of it, the link is a much better place. Check the description down below. If you wanted to super chat, it is much better there, because then YouTube doesn't steal half of it or make me wait a month. Anyways, honestly, I'll end up putting it all into some random new coin. Is what it is. Can I check Tesla and Square? Sure. I mean, sorry, Block? Sure. So Tesla SQ. Sup, man? What's up, Orlando? How you doing? How you doing? So surprisingly, CCI indicator on the 15-minute is giving you a buy signal for Bitcoin. I only ask every other day. Hey, it's no problem, fast trades. It's just most of the time stocks, they take like weeks to perform. So it's like, we'll look at it. I'm probably not going to say anything different than like up to a month. Just like a full month. I might say the exact same thing. All right, let's see what happened on this pullback here for Bitcoin, where we could be headed. I'd be looking at it right here. That was a 50% retrace. Oh, God. Our next leg up could be seeing Bitcoin at $109,000. And you're getting a buy signal right this moment. We could see this thing rally another 5.28% if the traders want it. Damn. All right, that's Bitcoin. Let's check out the liquidation map. Are people shorting this or what? Are we about to get some rocket fuel? Nope, shorts have almost given up. We have 40 million sitting right here at 106K, and then we also have another 35 million sitting at 106,961. So that's your 24-hour volume. Let's check out your weekly time frame. Yeah, those longs have pretty much given up, or the shorts have given up nearly, almost took them all out. The highest level is at 107,000. Noted, we do have a lot of liquidity to the downside, so be careful on weekend price action. Whales could come in and do something really, really crappy. Hopefully they don't, but it is a possibility. Stay on your toes. Keep those stop losses pretty tight. Anyways, that's our liquidation map. That's what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks crazy bullish right now. Let's see if the bulls keep pushing it up. Holy crap. All right, I don't even have anything to really look at for you guys today because everything shot up by so much. I guess the only honorable mention I would have is rats. Right now, you did try to break out already, but it's sitting down all the way at like all-time lows, and you're trying to break out of this weird looking falling wedge thing. And of course you have bullish divergence on the daily while being at all-time lows. Probably is a good pickup because after you break above 771, you're looking at 17072. That is a 220% move to the upside. Currently not broken out, so you have your opportunities here to jump in, get yourself some cheap Bitcoin meme. And yeah, anyways, moving right along, let's go into degen. First request, surprisingly, oh, I take it back. Hold on, we got to check out Spell first. Checking out Spell first because Spell was the dono. So Spell has been having a great day. Now, you asked my thoughts on Spell. I think Spell is completely underrated right now, considering this is the only DEX on the former FTM/now. It is the Sonic network. It is their best DEX. So obviously, if Sonic's doing well, you're expecting this one to do extremely well. You almost made your move to your first profit-taking level. Came close. So I think this still has some moves to the upside. Did anyone say XRP? Nope. But we can check it out. We can check it out. XRP should be cooling off, but who knows? Right now, on the daily, this thing had a 51% day, not too shabby. I am still looking for this to get up to 17725 over time, of course, but this thing did shoot out of there like a rocket. Love to see it. but it's still chugging along. Your daily barely tapped overbought territory, you're good there. Checking out your 4-hour time frame, still overbought. Expect some more consolidation. Looking at your 1-hour time frame, you're coming out of that overbought territory. So just pay attention to when this is done consolidating, because it should have an extremely good weekend. And I'm not kidding when I say weekend. The degens come out to play on the weekend, and if things are getting built on the Sonic network, guess what the degenerates are going to be doing? They're going to pick the hot girl on the block, and that is the Sonic network, and they're going to be like, oh, this is a great opportunity to get in for some gains. You have a very nice falling wedge pattern right here on the 15-minute, where we could see this thing rally up. We got one move here that could look kind of like this. If we break out, we could be hitting overhead resistance. Trump coin about to break 6 billion. What the F? Really? That's crazy. You could see a test of that overhead resistance, or you could even go all the way up to your 1618. Could be another 64% move to the upside out of Spell. Let's see if it's done. Why did Spell pump? I just answered that. It is like the main DEX on the Sonic coin network, formerly known as FTM. If people are interacting a lot with Sonic, guess what? They're using Spell. So then, of course, there's liquidity pools. There's a lot of things that you want to hold Spell token for. So, yeah, if you want to interact with the system, you're going to hold the coin. Degen the future. Uh-oh. Sell all your degen. Sell it all. Somebody said it. Don't say that stuff. Harry, you want some XRP? I got you. It's already on the list. Don't you worry. So, hopefully you understand what Spell is doing right now. It is setting up for another move to the upside. We're going to see if the consolidation is over soon, but you're going to be waiting for that breakout. Hopefully you get a back test. Hopefully. But wait for that breakout. Is Trump going to Haley Welch US? I have no idea. I don't keep track of that man's schedule. He is his own man. He is his own man. I'm noticing nothing popped up. Hold on here, guys. Hold on. Oh, that's why. Golly. Oh, boy. I don't know why I get signed out of this thing so very often. This is frustrating. Yeah, let's go. Come on, get me in there. Let's go, baby. There you go. Alrighty. I heard Trump coin was a scam, or there's hella scams. There's tons of scams. Miami or LA? Wait, what? Hold on. What? Hold the phone here. By the way, James, if you get bored over here on Twitch, you can always join us on YouTube. That's okay. It's okay. Donald Trump official meme coin is going crazy. Okay, that's what Joel's saying. Mr. Krebs, Miami or LA? I'm confused by the question. Thank you for the TA. No problem, Hayden. No problem. Thank you so much for the super chat. I do greatly appreciate you. I'm on YouTube now. All right, James. All right. Just saying, if you get lonely, you don't have to be over on Twitch, but I do appreciate when people show up on Twitch. Anyways, yeah, so moving along, let's go into DGen next. DGen. First crypto president, 2 billion market cap. For the 20th time this week, Porky, you're a legend. Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. What is the Trump official meme? No idea. No idea. All right, looking at DGen. DGen had a very nice move up, but we now have a lower high, and we are retracing. No. Switched over now that we're breaking out. Okay, I got you. I got you. Let me see how bad my trade's going real fast. Looks like we're catching some bids. Could be worse. Hopefully Toncoin does well this weekend. But looking at this now for DGen, we're getting a nice Nice little retrace. Getting oversold on the 15-minute. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour is just backtesting your 200 simple moving average. Can I check VET? Yep. It's on his X account with link. That's pretty cool. Don't you love how everything is dipping and no crypto YouTuber or TikToker is live? Well, here I am. I'm live. Chopsticks, how you doing? Welcome in. I don't think I've seen you here before. Hopefully you enjoy the coverage of the market. Noted, it seems more like a profit taking and less of a dump. So, doesn't seem too bad. With link 6.5 billion. It's at 6.5 billion already. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Let me write down VET real quick. All right, we will check out VET. I got you covered. JD got you. So on DGen here, we did have a very nice pump to the upside. We pulled back. We hit a resistance, and we're pulling back hard. Let's see if we actually hold support or even make a higher low at this level at 950. That would be great. Everything is being dumped to Trump coin. That's why it's all dipping. Maybe it is, because to get into that 6 billion evaluation, that's some serious FOMO. That is some serious FOMO. Going into our 4-hour time frame here, looks like we are just back testing that 50 simple moving average as support. We're in neutral territory for the 4-hour. I'm not thinking you're going to get another test, but you could get all the way down to 922, so be prepared for that. But once you do get this breakout, this could be an absolute next great leg up, and this thing could be rallying all the way up to 1274. It's about to break 7 billion. That is crazy. I feel like it's just going to be a major rug pull afterwards. DGen, we're looking for about 32% upside move from here. Absolutely amazing. And noted, you just got to find your base. So we're going to be waiting to see how far this thing dips. DGen sucks. Sorry, guys. I had to say it. Oh, no. I'm a holder. Oh, boy. Now we're getting the hate. We're getting the hate. Oh, no. So let's go ahead and check out this uptrend right here. And you broke it. That's kind of a shame. You didn't want to break the uptrend, so that does hurt you a bit. Let's see if you can maintain this level of support. If not, see you again at 922. Hopefully it doesn't go lower. But this right here is what you want to hold. At 9.5, that's what you want to hold. Can I check Litecoin's pullback? We will check out Litecoin, LTC. We will check it out for you. I got you. Wow. What is... I'm not checking that, Rich. What? If you guys could do me a huge favor, those of you who have not, please, can you just touch the like button? It does help with getting more viewers in here. That would be absolutely amazing if you could do that for me. It's absolutely free. And then also, I'm taking all your requests for free. Apparently, there's no other crypto YouTuber out there that's live. Anyways, we're about to get the 4-hour candle close, which is nice. Melanie wants some ADA and Doge. Got you covered. ADA, Doge. We will get to those next because you are a member and a lady. So we are going to get there next. But don't want you to check it. Wait, what? All right, checking out ADA next. ADA, backtesting. Beautiful. Thank you, man. God bless. A random trader. No problem. No problem at all. It gave me such a good print this morning. Wait, what did SPY? If I could, if you can too, please. Yeah, we'll check out some SPY. Oh, LTC link. Got you. Link. Putting it into the queue. Also, I gotta put all of these over here. IREN, MSTR, MSTX, TLT. What was that last one you just said? SPY. Got it all covered. Wait, did you? Who said Tesla? Did you say Tesla too? Jesus Christ. I'm just looking at your whole watch list. Crazy. All right, don't worry, I got Litecoin down there. All the socials with the address, crazy. The March SPY 630 calls were so sexy. Very nice, very nice. 7.3 billion. Wow. It's going insane, isn't it? All right. Going into ADA here, let's check it out on the 4 hour. 4 hours trying to consolidate outside of resistance. This is absolutely beautiful. It is an American token, so this should do extremely well. I'm looking for just the first initial move when it starts going again. We should see this thing rally up $1.45, getting up 31%. However, this does have a more large move ahead. We could be seeing it rallying up to $1.95 sometime in the near future. Let it finish consolidating. Hopefully, it stays outside of this structure. I believe it will, because your 1 hour does look like it's ready to rally sooner than later. So your 1 hour looks extremely strong. Might even be a good idea to try and trade this thing now, come to think of it. Let's go into your 15 minute. 15 minute wants to go up as well. Backtesting the 200 simple as support. You do have bearish divergence to worry about, but I think you're going to be okay. Wow. Might be the first meme to 1 trillion. That would be crazy if it does that. Oh my gosh. The rug pull would be insane. That would be insane. All right, so yeah, ADA looks extremely strong here. You just don't want to lose this demand line as support. That's really what you don't want to have happen. Because if you do, you could come all the way back down to 102.44, which, I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just you want it to keep going up. If everything's going to rally, let it rally. Let it go. So yeah, this looks like it's getting geared up for a 31% move to the upside, which is absolutely nutty. Let's go into Dogecoin next. So Doge. Doge has been having a very nice move. You are on a confirmed breakout of the downtrend. The amount of people who FOMO'd out this pullback. Oh no. That's true. Like, anytime there's a pullback, oh goodness, you just start seeing people panic sell. It's crazy. But anyways, right now for Doge, you're looking pretty darn strong. You could possibly see this pull back down to 37.066 as a bullish backtest. That wouldn't be out of the cards, but right now it does look like you are a bit in that overbought territory. You actually don't want it to turn around right now. You really don't. So what you would prefer to see this is go up higher, clear this high, because otherwise you're putting in massive bearish divergence on the 4 hour, which could ruin the rally. So you want this thing to just continue up and hit that 57-cent range, and then cancel out any idea of that hidden bearish divergence. That would be ideal, but if you do pull back here, you can still make a higher high than this high and cancel out that bearish divergence on the 4 hour. But let's go ahead and check out our 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, it is trying to reset. You could be trying to get a bit of a rally sometime later tonight. Your 15 minute is not oversold yet, so that's kind of a shame. Kind of a shame. We're going to be waiting to see what that does. Let's see how it goes. Chopstick, don't worry. You are already in the queue. I will be looking at it. You don't have to keep repeating. It is literally written down. Written down. I got you. Don't worry. You don't have to keep typing it. It's fine. The cool kids watching tonight. The likes are looking good. Yep, it is looking good. Turbo TA, got you. Just for anybody who's new here, if you do want to jump the line and get your request seen much sooner, then it will just take a very simple donation or becoming a member. Otherwise, I do go in order for as they come in, because I write them all down. So then, yeah, those are the rules here. Just is what it is. I like to take care of those who are taking care of the channel, and then I get to everyone else after. Now, we do have to get into the most simple of all requests. We're going to be checking out all of these stock requests for James. Luckily, we get to hang out on the daily time frame and just take a look at them. Noted, they're not going to move at all until Tuesday, but we're going to pay attention to them. So, Iran, is the first one on the daily. We are slow chugging up. So everything looks fine. Still not overbought. You're still aiming for somewhere in the neighborhood of 1731. Maybe you get as high as 1969 on this next leg up. Looking solid. Nothing looking bad here. You had a beautiful 4.72% on the day. Absolute beautiful. 76K holders on the new Trump coin. Is that what it is? Wild. Also, Melanie, no problem. I always appreciate you. All right. MSTR is next. MicroStrategy has been on a great move. 8% on the day. Once again, target is still $811. Can I do IOTEX and Kava? Kava looks amazing, but yes, I can do them both. IOTEX, Kava. Gotcha. I gotcha. So yeah, MicroStrategy going up, looking good. As long as Bitcoin's doing good, the MicroStrategy is going to go absolutely phenomenal. We are still looking at this like from before the breakout even. That 148% upside move, it's moving, it's going, it's moving and grooving. So very good day for MicroStrategy. Let's go ahead and check out the leveraged one, MSTX. So this 2x leveraged one is also having a good day, up 15.8% on the day. And this one is a banger. You're looking still for that $337 to play out. Can I look at SGB? Looks like it's about to rip, in my opinion. I will check it out for you. SGB. Got you covered. Also, everybody, periodically you're going to see a link pop up in chat that is the Dono link. If you guys want to use the Dono link instead of super chats, that would be much better, because YouTube does like to take 30% of all donation. It's absolutely crazy, and then make you wait for a month. Absolutely wild. But yeah, anyways, official Trump, boy, I wish I was paying attention when he announced it. Crazy. Thanks for the reassurance. Yeah, no problem. Fast trades, no problem. So yeah, this thing is just moving along, looking good, going straight up. Not much else to talk about with MicroStrategy stuff. TLT. I don't know if I looked at TLT before. Let's check out what these treasuries are looking at. I have not looked at these before, so this is actually going to be interesting. Checking it out on the... Wait, these are treasuries? Shit. Checking it out on the monthly. Wow. Bullish divergence on the monthly. First high or low. Time to get into treasuries? Why? Son of a bitch. Alright, anyways, treasuries looking decent. You have an overhead level to break through, but monthly bullish divergence. That is a shame. That is a shame. First high or low, even more of a shame. We could see the treasuries going up. The 20-year treasuries? 63%? Why? Who's buying these? What the... I mean, this could take forever, because this is a monthly chart, but, I mean, what? TMF is the leverage if you want to get spicy? That's crazy. I don't understand why the monthly wants to go up like that. Let's see what your weekly's doing. And your weekly has bullish divergence as well? Oh, son of a bitch. Treasuries are about to rip? The 20-year treasury? Do people really think the economy's that good right now? Damn, feels like it. That's insane. Just has to break through these levels, but oh my god. Yeah, you're looking at $142 for the 10-year or 20-year treasuries. Okay, that's cool. Love to see that. When you look at Litecoin, can you tell me the resistance? Because it spiked in December's highs? Yeah, I'll tell you. Don't you worry, Chopsticks. When I look at crypto, it has to be a bit more in depth. I'm on a couple Discord channels and people are so hyped right now. I believe it. Boyd, so much for pullback. BTC is not phased. That's true. BTC is not phased. How you doing today, Boyd? Hopefully things are going well. All right, moving right along. We got the SPY. Looking at the SPY. SPY is going. Breaking out even on the weekly. Crazy. Let's see what the daily looks like. Daily breakout. Oh boy. Next target we could be looking at is $671. That was such a mediocre pullback. Are we serious? SPY looking damn good. Now let's check out Tesla, which I'm sure looks great also. Oh boy. Tesla. Breakout confirmed. Absolutely wild. Tesla's next target we're looking at is $589. Absolutely wild. Yep, these things are doing very well. Block, formerly known as Square, breaking out. Are we serious? Are small businesses coming back? Is that what's happening here? Holy moly. Alright, we got a couple levels here, but the one I want to focus in on for Block, we could see it rally up to $127. We could even see it go much longer, because guess what? Your bearish 5-0 is sitting at $164. This thing is doing absolutely amazing. Doing great. SGB tried to send 5... but YouTube presets at $4.99 on mobile. That is wild. Tesla bought my steak and beer today. That's what's up, Melanie. That's what's up. I got my beer right here. I already ate dinner. Good day today, honestly. Thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat, Bid Thunder. We will check out SGB next. I do appreciate that, but also, if you look in the description or in the chat, there's this wonderful link that pops up. Donations in there would be much better. Much better. Because I don't like YouTube taking 30% of a donation. It's frustrating. But it's fine. Either way, it's fine. Now, going into SGB, because Square, we just looked at it. It looks good. It looks like you're about to have an amazing rally come Tuesday. This could have an absolute rip to the upside. Right now, you're going to be looking at somewhere in the neighborhood, over time, of course, getting up 89 to even 123% upside for Block. I don't know if small businesses are about to make a resurgence or not, but damn, this is looking good. Looking really good. Oh, wait a minute. Block holds Bitcoin too. I forgot about that. Block actually holds Bitcoin also. So maybe people finally caught wind that they have Bitcoin. Anyways, let's move right along. Moving along, we're going to check out SGB. SGB Songbird on, we're not looking at it on Bitrue. I'm surprised they're even there. SGB looking good. Looking really good, actually. Here in this very nice consolidation pattern, you almost are broken out. Almost. On your daily time frame right now, you're chugging along. You're above that 200 daily moving average and your 100. Checking out your 4-hour. Not overbought on the 4-hour. This could start rallying tomorrow. XEN is rallying like crazy. Need a time machine, right? MEXC is best exchange for SGB in my opinion. Most liquidity. I mean, that's if you're trading it. I'm just looking at data. So trading it, yes, but looking at data, thanks to bots out in the space, they do arbitrage trading nonstop. It levels out the price. But yes, if I was trading it, you're probably right. Oh, my trade's probably getting wrecked. Oh no. No, we're not wrecked yet. That's fine. All right, so right now, I would be looking at this only for the falling wedge pattern, simply because of how deep into it you have gotten. But it does look like you're about to get that climax probably over the weekend, which does mean you could be seeing a beautiful 90% move to the upside after you get that back test. Nice. If you don't get the back test, you're basically aiming for 1696. This is getting geared up for a massive breakout right now. So this could be exciting. Could be very exciting on SGB. Your 4-hour is not saying anything about a pullback. Let's look at your 1-hour. 1-hour is trying to push out. While the rest of the market's showing a bunch of red, the SGB looking damn good. Pushing to the upside. Looking at your 15-minute. 15-minute is trying to go right now. So yeah, this thing should be breakout imminent, really. This thing could be going absolutely nuts. You might consider becoming a Brave creator. Anyone using Brave browser by default in the settings sends you BAT. Time they watch your channel, you can when can then pay you automatically via BAT crypto. I tried to become that and it just wouldn't go through. I might try it again. I did try that though. I appreciate the heads up though, random trader. That is a great idea. That is a great idea. I just want this channel to be successful and then we'll go from there, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, SGB done and done. This thing breakout imminent. I would be expecting this sometime in the coming days to start seeing a very nice rally to the upside, more than likely 84%. Oh, congested. What's congested? I don't understand. Well, I don't understand what's congested. All right, so this is what I'm seeing out of it. Let's move right along. Next up, we got XCN. So let's go look at the craziness of XCN. For some reason, it's going ape shit. I believe this is the chart. Yep, absolute ape shit, but it's finally getting some sell pressure at overhead resistance at 140,178. So that's nice. The only problem with this is you took off and you never back tested anything. Can you please tell me how many more before LTC? 1, 2. 2 more. 2 more, chopsticks. 2 more as of right now. Alright, so looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, no back test has happened. Let's go into much lower time frames so we can get an idea of what's happening here. You had a high here. No bearish oh, here it was. Bearish divergence, first lower high. Beautiful. So if anyone's looking to gamble your way on this one, anything close to this demand line, you are possibly in the right place for putting in a short. However, very risky. With something that's pumping like crazy like this, very risky to do that. Let's go ahead and drop out to the daily. Let's see if it's hitting all-time highs or what. Oh my god, it's major breakout. So yeah, you're going to find a ton of resistance here. You're going to wait and see where this consolidates. It could take weeks or even months. But if you get a break of this level and you hold above it, XCN is just getting started. This thing could go absolutely crazy. All the way up to 633,762. Damn. So if for some reason it keeps going, it still has another 424% in it. Just trying to recover. Absolutely nuts. But yeah, that's all I see right now. It looks like a pullback is underway. So let's see where it stops. If I were to guess where it would stop, I would guess somewhere in the neighborhood down here at 63565. That would be my guess. Songbird is currently trailing F assets right now, with XRP being the first, then Doge, and BTC. Could go parabolic. Well, very nice. Love it. Glad I sold this morning at the top. Very nice, HQZ. Very nice. You did post those gains. It's absolutely wild that it took off like that. I didn't think it was going to break that 30519, but it did. It really did. You could see a 47% pullback and it would still be hyper bullish. Getting back to this trading range back here before that next leg up when it went crazy. Let's see what it does. Noted, you find support here, you could break out and keep on running. I don't know what people are doing with XCN. I don't know why it's so exciting, but there it is. Moving along, we got XRP. XRP is consolidating. Remember, XRP is not done with its moves, so I would be surprised if it really pulled back. I have a feeling it's going to basically go like sideways, maybe down a little bit, but I'm still waiting for XRP to hit $4.40. May buy back in on the pullback. All right. Well, best of luck with you on that one. So, right now, XRP, it is consolidating. It is completely over, but you are not showing signs of bearish divergence, which is the surprise. So that's kind of why we would be expecting it to basically hold. Doctor, can I look at Blast and Mobile, looking for a short or swing? Sure, we can check out both of those. Blast and Mobile. Got you covered, Dr. Techno. So on your 4 hour, it basically just looks like you need to consolidate. On your 1 hour, your 1 hour is trying its damnedest to hold the 50 simple, but it's losing it right now. So you could see a bit deeper of a retracement. But currently, this is what I'm looking at. Basically, a nice little flag pattern. BTC pulling back to 96K. Lou, all right, maybe. It definitely could. It could cool off a lot. So XRP in the 15-minute, you're almost in that oversold territory, but it does look like the trend is reversing. It could be setting up for a short right now. And if it were to go for a short, I don't think it would be very long-lived, because you'd probably be looking at it kind of like this, where maybe it comes down to $3.04. From there, you would reassess. But I think it would be quite dangerous to try and short XRP, even though it is overextended. It's just, God, the XRP army is so crazy hyped about price movement that they are just throwing their life savings into it. All right, moving right along, let's go ahead and check out Blast real quick. And Mobile. Blast and Mobile. Oh no, Blast, what are you doing? No, step bro. Oh, just being dumb. So you had this nice rising wedge pattern at resistance. It played out to the downside, but now you're being held down against your will by this former supply line, but I don't think it actually matters. Hey y'all, what we buying? We're not sure yet. I wouldn't short XRP right now. Yeah. I thought you said 2 before Litecoin. Chopsticks. We just had a member request two different charts. So we're going to get through these 2 charts, and then we're going to get through VET, and then we have LTC. Don't worry, Litecoin, if you're above 113, relax. It's fine. 280 is your overhead resistance if that's the case. Relax. I know you're trying to get out of here so you can go hit the clubs. You made some money today. I get it. Patience is a good thing, okay? It's a good thing. Relax. All right, looking at Blast right now. We have on the daily, it does seem like you're starting to gain some strength. That's nice to see, while you're holding a level of support at 8272. So with that being said, we are still looking for, at a minimum, bare minimum, give me that 618. So we could see that golden retrace, and from where you're sitting right now, you could see it go up about 45%. But since you are on a higher low, you're not looking to just stop there. You're looking to exceed that and more than likely get up probably to overhead resistance. Blast could make it all the way up here, 150% to the upside. Over time, of course. So if you're looking for a swing trade, you're holding very strong support right now. The main thing you would just be focused on is don't lose 7519. Just don't lose it. You're gonna be okay as long as you stay above that. So that's what I see out of Blast. It does look ready to go for a nice scalp or swing trade, and you could be buying in this range and enjoying the bull run. Remember, Blast is also a layer 1, so layer 1s tend to do extraordinarily well during bull runs. So this one might actually really be worth gathering up at these prices. Moving along, we got Mobile. Helium Mobile. Let's check this out. Slick Rick, 56K incoming. Wow, that is bearish AF. 56K. Sheesh. Let's see what happens. Slick Rick, he's like, I am bearish like no other bear. I'm out here. Are you, hold on, Slick Rick, are you putting in shorts? How bearish are you? Are you shorting the market? Did I see Trump official launched his meme coin? Max, we are live talking about crypto. I didn't see it. I definitely heard about it tonight. Slick Rick is laughing because I'm trying to know if I should exit Litecoin with some profits or hold. It keeps dropping. Oh, I wouldn't worry so much, Chopsticks, about the holding of Litecoin right now. I think you're going to be okay. Please look at BTC now. It's dumping to 96K, right? Maybe. I don't know. Can't look at it right now. I got to get through the other requests. The only way you guys can get me to a chart instantly is by donation or becoming a member. I'm very explicitly honest about that. Otherwise, it's in the queue. We will look at Bitcoin again, and I will write that down. Right now, it seems like mobile is moving its way up. More than likely, you're going to see 1635 once again. All it needs is a billion market cap to reach $1. Easy peasy. Nice, Big Thunder. Nice. Long liquidity grab. It could be. Really could be. We did look at the liquidity map. You're right. There are more longs than shorts right now on the liquidity map. Checking out the 4-hour time frame for mobile, we do have slightly overbought. We could see a lot of consolidation here. So let's go ahead and drop into our 1 hour. 1 hour does want to consolidate as well. The lows I would be looking for on this would be somewhere in the neighborhood. If it gets all the way down there, you might see it come down here to 864. But from there, I'm expecting a lot more upside. I mean, like a lot more. From where you're sitting right now, the target I would see is this. Another 60% to the upside for mobile. All right, moving along. We got VET, V-E-T. Oh, Max, go check his X. He just announced it. Nope, not checking it, Max. I refuse. I refuse. I don't need FOMO in my life. I don't need that. Oh, especially as a trade's dying. I don't need that. Now, going into VET, let's check it out on the daily. Let's see what kind of breakout we just had. Now, the only problem with this breakout, you now are looking for a back test. So on your daily, it's great we retook that 50 simple. However, for VeChain, I would be expecting a back test all the way down to 4426. That is my expectation because you did break a resistance. Let's check your 4-hour time frame. Overbought territory. Looks like you're about to get some golden crosses on the 4-hour. I mean, it's not a true golden cross, but you know what I mean. A bullish cross. But I really would expect a nice back test, about 17% downside. Would not be strange in the least. Checking out your 1 hour. Your 1 hour might disagree strongly, and your 1 hour might rally. Wild, but you're not oversold yet. Let's check out your 15-minute. 15-minute is in oversold territory. You could be either setting up some bullish divergence, or you could even start catching a strong bounce. We're going to have to wait and see. But out of a longer-term view of VET, V-E-T, we could see this thing rally up like crazy. So checking it out on a longer term, we could see this thing rally on up to 11,729. Looking pretty darn good. Porky, I stand on my feet all day for work. What do I need to exercise for lower back pain from standing? You need to stretch. You should direct that in the Discord under the fitness tab where you can ask all those questions. I don't want to cover that live on stream. I really don't. It's on his Truth Social as well. Nice. For crypto, once his meme starts dumping, for fuck's sake. Wait, what? This isn't gonna look good for crypto? Yeah. Well, either way, people are gonna take profits. If you make like 100 or 1,000x within hours, I mean, you might as well take some profits. Might as well. So yeah, this is what I see out of VeChain over time. Let's just say you get that back test, you could see this thing rally up something like 166 to even 206% upside targets. Looking absolutely insane. So yeah, that's what I see out of VeChain. Going into Litecoin next, LTC, the much anticipated, the most wanted. Will XRP decrease or increase? Alfredo, it could decrease just as a consolidation before it increases. So looking at Litecoin had one hell of a day. Holy, nice little move on the day, 10%. Beautiful. What I would expect out of Litecoin, since you did break resistance, I would expect this to come down, touching either 119 or 118 as support. XRP will increase. Melanie's giving out the answer. She knows it. Alfredo, the price target for XRP is 440 right now. So we're going to see if it hits it. 440 is the target. LTC is the most boomerish of all coins. I don't know about boomerish. It came out, what? Right before Dogecoin? But it came out after Bitcoin Cash? So I think Bitcoin Cash is the most boomerish. Anyways, once you get that confirmed back test, you reset your indicators a little bit. Litecoin is amazingly set up for a ton of upside. We could see Litecoin pump its way up 135%. Trump just launched a meme coin. I am aware, Project R. I am aware. That is the number one thing everyone's talking about tonight. Absolutely insane. Noted. All of you are talking about it, but none of you are willing to donate to make me see it. That's funny. Probably because it's irrelevant. All right. Next up, I should see how much further down it should go. So checking out your 4 hour. 4 hours resetting pretty nicely. Pretty darn nicely. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour trying to hold support. H-bar, please. All right, Melanie, can you look at the 15-minute? I'm working on it. H-bar. H-bar. All right, so right now, it's doing a pretty good job of trying its best to hold support. However, you did have bearish divergence on the 1 hour, so I would be expecting a bit more downside. Very likely you see a back test. Very likely. Now, going into your 15-minute time frame, you're in that oversold territory. Now, let's see what could happen based off this downtrend. This is the downtrend you're going to have to break. So remember what happens on these. You could move up, hit resistance, and then continue to the downside. Stay bearish on this thing until you break out of this resistance while holding support. Until that happens, focus on 118 as a level to get in. Focus on that 118 because I understand you're oversold. I get it. But don't worry, it can stay oversold a long time. And I can give you a very good example of that because it screwed me all day. So this is Litecoin. We're looking for 118. Plain and simple, we're looking for it. Now I'm going to show you this coin that I thought was so ripe and ready to go up. But look at this shit. Look at this shit. I want you to look at the RSI while we zoom in here. Look at this RSI. We were oversold up here. All the way up here. Oversold completely. Right here. We put in nothing but bullish divergence all the way down. We were extreme levels of oversold and we're down another 10%. So understand the 15-minute being oversold in it, it's just not as strong as being oversold in like the 4 hour or the daily or even the 1 hour. But yeah, this ruined all of my trades today. I got back into this like 2 or 3 times. I was so mad. I was like, man, this thing just keeps falling. So now I'm looking for support down here at 28587. But just a little for instance for you for when it comes to LTC, because it could just keep going even though it's oversold on the 15. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, sadly. It's still an altcoin, still gets sold off. Is what it is. But once you do get a nice firm back test of either 119 or 118, which that's what I would be aiming at, or on the flip side, you break out of this downtrend and then you hold the same level of support, that's where you can put in brand new fresh longs and then focus on the upside targets. Then just make sure you don't get overbought again on the 15. For some reason, being overbought on the 15 is like sacrilegious. You can't do that. But being oversold, no one cares. Anyways, you think Trump account got hacked? Usually when he launches a meme coin, he announces it on a video, and not this time. That's why BTC is going down right now. Weird. Change the title to Trump launch meme coin. Nope, not doing it. Not doing it. I understand it'll probably bring in a ton of views, but nope, not doing it. Nope. I can only clickbait so much. I clickbaited twice today, okay? I can't do it anymore. All right, moving along. We're going into whoa. BCH, it really hasn't moved much. Has to break out sometime this year. That's true. Is BTC dumping? It's over 100K, right? I don't know. We looked at it at the beginning of stream. It was at 103,000. It could be dumping now. Who knows? Who knows? BCH. But next we're going to be checking out HBAR. HBAR, hash graph Hedera. Wow, it's holding that. Holy shit. All right, HBAR is looking really strong up here on the 15 at least. Let's see what the 1 hour. Oh my god. Your 1 hour reset and it's trying to get moving to the upside again. Wow. Everyone keeps saying BTC's dumping, but I don't see it. Yeah, a lot of people look at the 1 minute chart, HQZ. It's just, that's why I kind of ignore it. It's like, it's dumping. Is it? Are you sure? You sure? BTC having a little pullback. Bag Max Cherry. That sounds like the most reasonable thing. One of the more reasonable things I've heard you say. All right, so right now, HBAR is bullishly consolidating on the 1 hour, and it does look like it's getting ready to start moving again. HBAR has been wildly strong recently. I think it's trying to pull an XRP. We might be seeing it rally on up to 55,587. Absolutely crazy. Maybe the small pullback is caused because people taking money out to invest in Trump's coin? Possibly. Anything that's going to move up that fast? Yeah, probably. But looks like HBAR is catching some bids right now. Is Ton coin? Oh my god, I think my trade might be saved. Wow. Yeah, so on the 1 hour and the 15 minute, HBAR looks like it wants to rally. On your 4 hour time frame, you're still in that overbought territory where I would be expecting a lot more consolidation. You are putting in this downtrending level of resistance, so that's just the one thing you got to basically just break out of. So we'll see what happens in the coming hours, days, something or another, but this market is hyper bullish today. And I found out the reason why is because now, thanks to some Fed person talking, it's back on the table. We might see more rate cuts this year than expected. So it's back on the table. I think everything going to pump Monday after pullback over the weekend. Mag Max, I bet most markets are barely going to move on Monday. Yeah, it happens to be a holiday. So I bet they're going to barely move. We'll see though. We'll see. They could rally all day tomorrow. Could rally literally all weekend. People are going crazy right now. People are growing absolutely crazy. But we'll see. HBAR looks pretty darn good. You still have a lot of upside potential, and right now that upside potential is looking like 48% more upside. And then noted, if you manage to break above that 57,618, that I believe you go into all-time high territory. Yeah, that's your all-time high. That is literally your all-time high. So I'm interested to see what HBAR does. So there's that. Next up, we got Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Bitcoin is currently breaking a major level of resistance. Next target, $680. Yeah, looking pretty darn solid here. Pretty sauced up and sexy even. This looks good. You literally are sitting right on top of your 50 simple on the weekly. This is nuts. This hasn't gone anywhere. Your daily, oh boy. Your daily has so much room to run. This is gross. Yeah, we're going to be looking at not just that 680 target, but we're going to be looking for 835. Huh. Let's check out your 4 hour. 4 hour wants to rally this weekend? Very nice. Can I review XLM, please? Sure, we'll check it out. Sol is pumping! Yes, defo, Sol is going up. I feel like I have this feeling. The other day when I looked at it, even yesterday when I looked at it, I might have said those words. Alright, we got XLM in the queue. Okay then. What? Hold on. Bought a little taquito and it was up like 3x for a bit. Yeah, Rich, taquito started moving. Noted. I'm posting up these new coins popping up, and it's like literally as they're getting listed on CoinGecko. It's really fast. My review of XLM, it's a good coin, but bought it when it was low. Now it's high. That's true. Can I add Aereo to your list? Sure. Aereo. AERO. Wish I bought Sol. I got 2. Nice. Amir, what do you think about keeping your crypto in a cold wallet and swapping/trading through the wallet app like Ledger or Trezor instead of exchange? The only problem with that, you have to deal with the gas fees. So it's way cheaper for you to send them over to an exchange, do whatever trading you want, and then send them back. I appreciate your $5 super chat. I do thank you for that. But yeah, it's the gas fees that generally speaking are the problem. Noted, if you're doing something that's low in gas, like XRP, like XLM, even Solana or something like that, as long as it's not one of the legacy coins like Bitcoin, not Ethereum, I think even Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, their gas fees are relatively high as well. So as long as you're not doing those, it's fine. But main thing for cold storage, you're not going to trade anything. You're just holding it. So that's really the main thing. And the biggest reason why people use exchanges is for the bonuses. So the whole reason to use an exchange, it's like, I've got a little taquito for you. Oh, that's pretty funny, HQZ. So the whole reason to use an exchange, it's not only for the bonuses, it's free money, free airdrops, free stuff like that. But if you're putting stuff in cold storage, it's so much of a hassle to move it around and stuff like that. It's better just to leave it. In my opinion, of course. So right now for Bitcoin Cash on the 4 hour, it does look like it's trying to reset its indicators. As long as you stay above $450, this thing is set to run. I mean, you're looking for anywhere between 50 to 84% upside targets for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash might have an extremely bright future just because it is the test chain for all of Bitcoin. Anyways, moving right along, we got Aereo. AERO. Aereo. Aerodrome Finance. Got it. Oh, beautiful back test happening right now. Love to see that. I wonder if Sol's going up because Pep's converting into the Trump coin. Most likely. If it's on the Solana network, that would make sense. I didn't know why it would go up. I just knew it would go up. So right now for Aereo, as long as you stay above $1.26, you are golden. First target you're looking for is $1.78. But this was a higher low, so this could get real nasty to the upside over a longer period of time. Of course, you could see this thing all the way up to $3.46. But as of right now, you're getting a strong back test. You're going to be looking for another 39% move to the upside. What's up? Oh, you're going to bed already? Shit. Oh, come here, sweetie. What's up, baby girl? Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. You want to say hi to everybody? No, you're done? You're done? You don't want to say hi? Want to say hi? What are you doing? What are you doing? No. No. Alright. Night. Love you. Alright, I'm back. Thanks, bro. You're doing a great job with these streams. Porky podcast with crypto CEOs. Oh, no. Never. Never. I doubt they'd ever want to even talk to me like that. She's trying to chart. She probably is. She probably is. So, Arrow, what we're looking at right now is hopefully we do see this 39% upside move, but you really do need to stay above $1.176, and then you're good to go. Compound, we'll check it out. Comp. She touched my glasses. She touched them. You know what? We're going to try and go no glasses for a while. We'll see how my eyes hold up. I also have to finish this soda so I can drink my beer. Anyways, that's what I see out of Arrow. Checking out your 1 hour time frame. Beautiful. We might actually be holding support right here. Almost in that oversold territory. Checking out your 15 minute. 15 minute catching a bounce. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's what I'm seeing out of Arrow. You're really looking for that move to the upside. That about 40% move. Welp, it only took 40 minutes for the Trump coin to pass Pepe. Wow, it already passed Pepe? That's crazy. That is crazy. So that is Arrow. Let's move along to Comp. So, Compound broken out and trying to get a back test right now. So pretty much same thing as yesterday, but right now you're trying to get this back test, which is beautiful. You're getting back to neutral territory on your 4 hour. Looking at your 1 hour, it's looking like it might want to hold. It just might. It's almost at 10 billion. That is wild. I'm surprised that token is like draining the crypto market right now. That is absolutely nuts. Seems like the only thing to trade is Solana. But right now, you are getting a very strong holding of support right here for Comp. Absolutely beautiful. If we can stay above that, that will be great because your target for this bad boy, $209 over time for the swing trade. For the shorter term, we're going to be looking at this right here. 25% move to the upside, getting you up to 105.35. Would be very nice. That also lines up with your 618 from your lows. Hold on. Let's see what your 618 really is. Almost. 618 is sitting at 114.99. So you can see anywhere between this 25% and even as high as a 36% just on your common retrace. So that's what I'm seeing out of Compound. Compound's looking pretty solid. Pretty darn solid right here. Let's go ahead and check out Link next. Link on a breakout. How nice does that look? That is so clean. Holy. You want to know the cleaner part about this is its price target. Holy shit. We could see Link start rallying up to $43. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. 80% upside. Let's check your 4 hour. Your daily looks perfectly fine. The 4 hour wants to consolidate. So allow this 4 hour to reset before you start getting crazy on these trades. Doesn't Compound rely on Ethereum though? Not lately. Nothing relies on Ethereum lately. Ethereum literally doesn't even phase the market anymore. Seems like XRP has the pump ability for altcoins like Ethereum used to. So I don't think it relies on Ethereum anymore. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour's back into the neutral territory. We'll see if you can hold this level of support. Maybe you do. Checking out your 15-minute here. 15-minute is about to enter that oversold territory, but understand, doesn't really matter that much. We'll see how it goes. 40 would be nice for Link. It would be. Link is one of the coins that I hold, so I actually can't wait till it gets up there. Yeah, next target, $43. And noted, your all-time highs are sitting at 52.96. It could be getting ready to run to the upside and try and get a new all-time high. We're just going to have to wait and see. But this is beautiful consolidation. Absolutely beautiful. Moving right along, we got Turbo. Turbo. So looking at Turbo right now, we have broken out of our second downtrend. This is very nice to see. You're in neutral territory. You have your moving averages holding you down. This one's a hard one to read because when you came up, you never back tested 67461, and now you're broken out. So this is a tough one. Your 4 hours basically saying you could keep rallying on. That's kind of interesting. Checking out the 1 hour though. 1 hour is in neutral territory, sitting right on top of all your moving averages. This one could really start rallying over the weekend. Really could. Looks really good for that. Your 15 hit that oversold territory. Let's see if it catches a bounce. Peanut just listed on Coinbase. Did it really? I guess we can check it out. Peanut. I guess we can check that out. But yeah, so Turbo right now, if you can stay above this demand line for any period of time, as well as staying above 77522, this could see an amazing rally. Could see an absolute amazing rally. Because on a bearish golden retrace, you could see, we'll go right there. You could see this thing rally on up 36% just on that. If you break above resistance, well, we're going to have a new uptrend to work with, and that will give me a lot more idea of where it could go in the future. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. The market's really red right now. Outside of Solana and a couple other select tokens, but Solana's still up 3.6%. Right now, it seems like it's the Solana show because of this meme coin of Trump's. Maybe the hype will die down tomorrow and things can go back to normal. But that's what I see out of Turbo. Let's go ahead and check out Peanut. Peanut. Oh, Peanut getting listed on Coinbase, and it just doesn't matter. Finally made that measured move down, though. Not that I called it. It took a long time to play out. Holy shit. I even changed the way my fibs look and everything. Sheesh. Anyways, we do have a nice breakout. That's good. Let's go into our daily. Daily time frame. We have no bullish divergence to speak of. When should we start? When should we worry about AVAX? I don't think there's any point in worrying about AVAX. Listed a few days ago, you think? Oh, really? Check Ethereum. Why it's not moving? Because there's nothing really amazing about Ethereum? We'll check out some ETH. Thank you so much for the super chat, Amir. I do appreciate you. You are leading in all of the super chats. Beating out Hayden, beating out Big Thunder. You're sitting in the lead at $9 in the super chats. Check out Foxy, the Lina meme token. I don't even know what. Sure, we'll check out Foxy. Sure. I didn't know that Foxy was a meme coin, honestly. Had no idea. Alright, so right now, it does seem like the daily's trying to find some sort of bottom, but it's not good that you're losing support. Checking out your 4 hour time frame, you have room to fall. You did have bullish divergence, now you're looking for that first higher low. So once you get the higher low, hopefully it comes now, you could see this thing start rallying up in a big way. Let's see if you lose this low down here at 4685, or maybe it's 4742. I don't know. If you lose that level, this is going to be totally negated. But if you hold it, Peanut could be ready to rally up to $1.72. You could see this thing start rocketing up 206%. Let's see how it goes. If you don't, you're in price discovery to the downside. Almost no telling where it could go. You're going to look for support around 38.18. We'll see if it does. We need a Porky Flounder meme coin. I'm not doing that. Ever. I have seen some ridiculous buys and sells. Just saw 2.5 million buy for the Trump and 5.6 million sell. That is crazy. That is crazy. Trump out here making people wealthy, and I'm not even going to try to play in it. Not at all. All right, moving along, we got ETH. Checking out Ethereum. So, Ethereum, you're just consolidating. It's no big deal. 4-hour time frame, you're not overbought, you're nothing. You're just in your moving averages. I would say maybe sometime next week, Ethereum might start getting the love it desires. But understand, Ethereum's a slow-moving crypto. It's extremely slow. I mean, its gas fees are terrible. It's all awful. I'm dropping a Porky meme coin on the XRPL. Oh God, no, not on the XRP ledger. Ugh, gross. Especially because like if you got it listed on Coinbase, oh, then I would end up if it was on CoinMarketCap or it was on whatchamacallit. Just bought 20K Porky coin. What the heck? No, if it got listed on CoinGecko, I would see it because I look at CoinGecko every single day. And I think now that I'm starting to upload these videos, I think you guys are starting to realize how often I look at CoinGecko. I literally look at it every single day. So it's funny because one of my tokens I've been waiting to start blasting off, that shill guy token that I told you guys about in Discord, it's just not getting the love. It's just not getting it. But when it does, I'm looking at like a 920% move to the upside. But yeah, I think a lot of you don't realize I look at those little S coins almost every single day, especially during bull runs. Every single day. Who's down to add to Porky liquidity pool? Y'all are wild. All the XRP army will know of the Porky Flounder? Please. It's funny, because that would be the greatest meme ever, honestly. I dislike XRP so much because of the army. Anyways, so in the near term, we could see this trade sideways till you hit your overhead resistance or this demand line, but you're looking for about a 17.48% move to the upside from where you're currently sitting. Right now, this moment, all you have to do is maintain prices above 3,150, and you're going to be okay for a lot of upside. If you get the breakout of 3,900, you're going to see about a 42% move off this inverse head and shoulders idea, where you could see a move to your all-time highs for Ethereum, $5,638. So that's what I'm seeing out of ETH. IOTX is next. IOTX. Whoa. IOTX. There you are. Oh, it's just IO2X. Got it. No E in there. There we go. There it is. Found it. Found it. Alright, IOTX. This thing is interesting, isn't it? Isn't it? So, we're on top of support, and then we popped up. Now we are above our 50... we're above all of our moving averages on the 4-hour. That's nice to see. We did have a downtrend. We have broken out. We back tested this level of support. This is ready to rock and roll to the upside. So this is what I talk about all the time when I'm looking at charts. That's what you want. Now you're just looking for that first higher low. But right now you're looking for about a 40% move to the upside. this would be great to see out of IOTX. Well, your 4 hour is currently consolidating, but you're in neutral territory. Your 1 hour time frame is getting ready to rally. Wow. Looking at your 15 minutes showing it wants to rally as well. Maybe if some buying pressure could get into the rest of the market, this will start going. But it seems like all the traders tonight are focused in on one meme coin. ChatGPT could make the logos for us. Oh no. It really could. I do everything with ChatGPT, honestly. Every thumbnail you see, ChatGPT. Not lying. I need Ethereum to move so your compound can pump. I mean, okay. Sure. All the... Oh, no. Oh, we'll start a Porky strategic reserve. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez. All right. Next up is Kava. Checking out Kava. So, looking at Kava right now. Kava's coming off of massive, and I mean massive, bullish divergence on the weekly. And on top of that, we got our first higher low. Beautiful things to say because I've been holding this thing for way too damn long. Since December of 2023, I've been in this freaking thing. But we do have bullish divergence on the weekly. Basically, you have a low, lower low, and from back here, from this low, you have higher relative strength. Low, higher low. Low, lower low. You see it. Now you have your higher low. Awesome. Great. We're all in agreement. This thing on the weekly looks fire. It looks great, actually. So on your weekly time frame, this is what we're going to aim at. The golden retrace. So this one might be worth the hold, because from where you're sitting down here, you're looking at a golden retrace. Golden retrace getting you a 10x. 10x, just a golden retrace. That's it. You're looking at a bearish 618, a 10x, where you're sitting right now. Actually, it's more, because we're at 49 cents, and this would be $5.84. So yeah, that's what a 10x right there. Just saying, just throwing it out there. That's on your longer term time frame. That's going to take you a while, but looking at your daily, let's go ahead and check this out. We have this weird consolidation. Basically, it's like a symmetrical triangle, but we are chugging along. What I'm going to be aiming at in the shorter term here is for Kava to move on up anywhere between $1.02 and $1.20. That is what I'm seeing out of Kava at the moment. We could see something like 107 or even 142% upside move. Kava is set and ready to go. One more request. Morpho. Let's go ahead and check out Morpho. All right. Hey, can you look at RAI? Yep, RAI. Gotcha. All right, Amir, thank you so much for the super chat. We will check out Morpho now. Morpho. Morpho. Okay, we almost made it. That's weird. I don't even recall looking at this thing. But your target was $4.28. You got up to $4.18. Do you think there will be inauguration pump or inauguration dump? I don't know, honestly, because it seemed like we dumped all last week, which could have been the dump. So I don't know. I really have no idea anymore. I like Soul. What's doing right now? Well, yeah, that's true. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Big Thunder. I mean, it could be. Not sure. We shall see, though. Actually, we'll see what the executive orders are. That's really what I think most people are going to be worried about. The executive order. So yeah, you basically made your full measured move from the last time I looked at this thing. After that breakout, you got the higher low. Beautiful. What can we do now? Because it does look like we have bearish divergence on your daily. Checking out the 4 hour, pull back ahead. Yikes. All right. Well, we have some levels of support that we could be looking at. So we could see something in the neighborhood of this holding up, or we could see something like this. So we got 2 levels to be worried about. I'm not sure where it's going to stop. Checking out the 1 hour time frame. Maybe you start catching bids now because you're in that bearish control zone. You're about to test that 50 simple. The thing I don't like is this rounded top. Because normally what happens when it rounds, it just starts accelerating to the downside. You could find yourself all the way back down to $2.82. Just mentally prepare for that. But you're looking for support anywhere between $3.58, $3.23, or that $2.82. Let's wait and find out what happens. But it looks like you nearly made your entire measured move up here. It came very close. Very close. And then, of course, you do have daily bearish divergence, so it's probably going to want to consolidate down for a while. That is Morpho. Wish I had better news for you. All right, now everybody was talking about BTC earlier, so we're going to check out BTC. Somebody wanted me to check it, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. But BTC, I said at the beginning of stream, we look like we're going up 5%. Whoever said we were dumping, what do you mean? We didn't dump. We tested the demand line. What are you talking about? Anyways, let's see if on the 15 we put in, no we didn't. We just put in a double bottom and relative strength. That is a form of bullish divergence, but no big deal. Still looking for that breakout. Still looking for it. Things are not quite bearish yet. So it's still in play until it's not. That's BTC, everybody. Do a long both case breakdown. Wait, what? What do you mean? Wojak and B Pro. Wojak really ran up earlier this year. We'll check them both out for you, Dr. Techno. No problem. People sensationalize everything. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Gotta write these things down. Hold on. Wojak. It's a K and then B Pro. Got it. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and check both of those out real quick. Wojak. Wojak, only trading on BitGet. Jesus. All right, checking out your weekly here. I gotta get some levels. I gotta see some things, some stuff. Rich gifted 1 membership. Wow. So who got it? I don't know who got it, but whoever got it, you better thank Rich. Orlando, you got it. So Orlando, congratulations on the gifted membership. Make sure you connect your YouTube channel to the Discord, and you can see every time I get killed in trades. Stop losses and all. Can I look at Kava stock? All right, Kava. Sure, we'll check it out. Alrighty, so looking at this on the weekly, we do have levels of support and resistance here. We do have resistance, and we got a level below us, so I'd focus on that one. Alrighty, that's what I see out of the weekly. You're sitting on your 50 simple moving average. Doesn't look bad. Your daily, it looks like it wants to pop off on you. All of Orlando got memberships. Nice. The whole city. Oh boy, that would be wild. That would be wild. Rich, thank you once again for the gifted membership. I do greatly appreciate you. So yeah, Orlando, now you get all the benefits of being a member. All the benefits. Oh, would you look at that? Do we have bullish divergence too? Oh my god, we got bullish divergence. Alright, Wojak is actually set up for upside. And a good amount of upside. Holy crap. Bullish divergence on the daily. You do have a higher low with the bullish divergence. Wojak could see an amazing rally. This is what is possible for Wojak. 260% upside is possible after the bullish divergence. Beautiful. On your shorter term, though, you're going to be looking for that bearish golden retrace. So right now, you're going to be looking at anywhere between 53 and 72% upside move for Wojak. Beautiful. Your 4 hour looks like it wants to consolidate a bit, but as long as you got a stop loss down here below 727, you should be all right. Checking out the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour's resetting. You're getting all your moving averages start moving up. This is beautiful. Checking out the 15 minute. 15 minute looks fine. Looks fine. So yeah, Wojak looks like it's getting ready to rally. Let's see if I'm getting saved on Ton Token. Ton Token, no savior yet. Oof. Probably getting stopped out. Have we checked FET tonight? We have not. We have not. So we can throw in some FET. But next we got B Pro. Let's go back out to our daily. Check out B Pro. B Pro Network. Let's see here. Ooh. Wait, I like B Pro. Hold on. I really like B Pro. Whoa. Oh, motherfucking Jones. We got hidden bullish divergent triple, or is it just double? What the fuck? Okay, we just have bullish divergence on the weekly. This is pretty. Did I miss virtuals? Nobody asked for it, so no. Wet noodle, but you still have faith. It's good. Faith is a good thing. Oh, weekly bullish divergence. You guys know how that makes me horny, so let's just dive on into this one. Real deep lag. Ooh, best area ever to accumulate right here. Oh my. Oh my. So B Pro, this is literally the time to buy. Right this moment. Never financial advice. But this is the time to buy this shit. Okay? Might seem like a weird token, but definitely time to get in. I've looked at this chart before. What in the world? How long ago? I've looked at this chart before. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing how bad I drew these lines. What was I doing? Using Wix. Oh, I remember when I was doing that. I remember that completely. Holy moly. Don't use the Wix, guys. Use candle bodies. Oh, let my ass off. Yep, Jamie Foxx. Who? Come again? Well, the motherfucking Jones character from Horrible Bosses? No. Motherfucking oh yeah, it was. It was. You're right. You're right, it was. I thought it was from a different movie for a second there. Anyways, so weekly bullish divergence. Beautiful to see it. Don't ruin my lines. All right. Downtrend. Oh, geez. Big time downtrend. Wow. Massive downtrend. The best part about it, the best part of waking up, it's Folgers in your cup. We're going to look at the golden retrace from this. That is the best part about downtrends. When you finally break out, a common retrace we're looking for is 326%. Trump playing around 9 billion now. That's crazy. That is craziness. So that is on your weekly time frame what we're looking at. Beautiful time to get into this asset. Looking at the daily here. Daily has hidden bullish divergence. That's wild. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily. So this is getting ready to rally in a big way. Oh my, oh my. Wow. That's amazing. So, with that being said, when it finally starts running, you're looking for 228% move to the upside. This looks really good. Those lines gave you some flashbacks. Oh boy. Oh boy. So B Pro, that's what I'm seeing. All you got to do is stay above 3852. That's it. That's all you got to do. 3852, stay above that, you're good. So now let's check out this stock. Kava Group, whatever. Oh, we didn't even get our bearish retraces? That's stupid. We just moved down? Jeez. Alright, well that's too bad. Because you went down in a terrible way. However, bullish divergence on the daily. You might be catching some bids soon. Stay focused on this downtrend, though. You need to break out of this downtrend. If you don't break out of the downtrend, see you at $96. $96. But right now, you're looking for a retrace. I don't know about this one. I'm looking for that bearish 5-0. I'm feeling 20%. If it gets a little freaky, maybe you get 26% move to the upside. And that's all provided you can break to the upside. Remember, stay bearish until broken out. You still could see this thing go straight down to $96. Let's check out your weekly right now. Weekly time frame. You're in neutral territory. It looks like the sell pressure wants to subside a little bit. Maybe you get this 26% bump to the upside. You're really going to have to wait until Tuesday to find out if this breaks to the upside or not. So this one's in like a wait and see type situation. I don't trust it. You're literally hitting your demand line now. Yes, you have bullish divergence on the daily, but you still do not have a higher low. So, yeah, just wait and see. All right, looks like Bitcoin's retracing a bit more. My trade is getting effed. That's too bad. Well, oh well. You win some, you lose some. We've been losing a lot of these trades lately. I need to start trading on lower leverage or something. I'm going to get into another trade tomorrow, though. Anyways, moving right along, we're going to check out FET. F-E-T. Oh, FET. FET on the daily looks perfectly fine. It just looks like you're chugging along, looking at getting to that $1.78.9. The 34% rise, but it's going to take some time. Apparently, you're just sitting there neutral, just sitting neutral. Checking out the 4-hour time frame. Oh, you're resetting. No big deal, no biggie. As long as you can stay above 123.2, you're golden. But noted, you could also come all the way down there before rallying up again. So be careful on this one, but that is a possibility. That's all I'm really focused on. Otherwise, we could be making a bigger move up to this 618 at $2.42, which from where you're sitting, it's about 82% move to the upside. It's just going slow. AI needs to start getting a bump again. That's all it takes. AI just needs another bump. But yeah, the market is correcting after such a crazy bullish day, and apparently it's all flooding into this Trump meme coin. So we'll see what happens there. All right, moving along, we got XLM. XLM. Finally, we got to the beer. Did I miss XCN? You certainly did. But it looks like it's retracing. Eventually. It's at a major breakout point, and it's rallied up insanely amounts within the past 2 days. Trump flipping Litecoin right now. I'm amazed. Oh boy. No wonder the whole market's getting drained. What the fuck? That's insanity. Can you look at TSM post earnings too? Sure, we'll check out some TSM. TSM. All right, so looking at this one, XLM, you have broken out once again. You are consolidating. You could be coming back down to 43.74. That would be a great back test. However, over the longer term, we are looking for XLM to move on up to 97.21. That is our target. But in our shorter term here, you have broken out of something. It looks like you're getting a back test. Understand in the short term, this is what we're looking at. We should be getting up to 58.73. Wait for this thing to touch some support before getting into a fresh long, especially with how weird the market's being by throwing all their money into Trump coin or Trump's meme coin. So just be careful of that. It is absolutely draining the markets right now. Absolutely. Next, we got TSM. TSM. So, Taiwan, something or another, semiconductors, Steph. Beautiful back test, moved up. Now it looks like it might try to back test 203 again. Either way, TSM, I guess today was earnings or something, so they had good earnings, I take it. Nope, on the day they're down 1.53%. You did have a gap up, which was nice. Looks like you're filling the gap, though. Either way, if you stay above 203 for any period of time, you're looking for 261 to play out for TSM. TSM looks solid. Looks really solid. All right, the much awaited, much long wanted Foxy. So checking out Foxy. Foxy. All right, is our daily giving us anything? Gotta get rid of some of these lines here. Fuck is that? All right. Looks like we have a resistance. Nice downtrending level of resistance here. This is a long downtrend. Oh my. And it's kind of resembling a channel. By kind of resembling a channel, it is a damn channel. Oh, I need to make it a channel. Okay. There we go. All right, so that is what we're looking at for this particular asset. On your daily, you are putting in bullish divergence. So I would be expecting Foxy to start moving up in the near term. This is what I mean by the bullish divergence. You do have a higher relative strength with lower prices. The only problem I have, you did not touch support. That is the only problem I have. Let's go into our 4 hour. Let's see what more we can find. Oh, okay. So we had bullish convergence. No, nothing else. This downtrend. Oh, you got a breakout and a back test. Okay. So you got a breakout. You got a back test. Looks like you're going to try and make a higher low. But in the immediate term, what I'm looking for is a golden retrace and testing of overhead resistance. So Foxy could see a 27% rally to the upside as long as you don't fall below this low right here at 8656. That's really the big deal. Your 4 hour is set, primed, and ready for upside. Let's see if your 1 hour is. Your 1 hour is trying its best not to get destroyed right now. Love to see that. If I were trading this, I'd put a stop loss somewhere around 9434. And then I'd wait and see what happens. But yeah, you could see this thing rally up 27% from where it's sitting right this moment. Your 1 hour's fine. Your 15 minutes fine. Your biggest problem is that Trump coin. That's the biggest problem. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of Foxy. Looking good though. Looking really good. Anyways, moving along. RAI. Reploy. Looks like we made our move to the downside finally. Go figure. I don't know why that was sitting there, but hey, let's get rid of it now. Let's get rid of it now. The bearish case played out. No. Remove it. Remove it. And let's go to the daily. Let's go to our daily. God, that is a sharp retracement. That's the problem with these brand new tokens. Oh, so this would be our downtrend. We broke out of it, and it looks like we're trying to touch some support. Let's see if $5.32 holds. On your daily, you're not oversold. Keep that in mind. Not oversold. 4 hour, not oversold. Not oversold. No bullish divert. Nothing. Nothing. It's not doing any favors for you. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. 1 hour time. No favors at all. None. It tried to give you bullish divergence right there, and it said, screw you, we're selling. That's too bad. So this one, you're kind of free falling. So I don't know if you're going to find support off 532.4, but if you do, you're going to have to hit it twice. So you got plenty of time to look back at this thing in the future, but right now, it's just falling. Just falling. Free falling. Going down. I don't have much else to say about it because, I mean, you should be catching a bounce. Should be. Based off low to high. Oh, shit. Never mind. You can catch some bids down here at like $4.98. That would be your 886 retracement. That is usually a great place to start buying in if it is still bullish, because that is a great move to the upside once you do catch a bounce. And let's just say you did. We're just looking into the future now. If you hold support, you could see this thing do a beautiful golden retrace where you would then be looking for this to move on up. Let's go from right here to here. Could be 112% upside. So I would set an alert for this level at 4. What is this? What is this? What is this? 4. Oh, shit. I can't see it. God damn it. What is it? $4.99. Yep. Put an alert up right there. 4.994. If it hits that level and stays, you know that it's a great buying opportunity. You know that it's great. But let's see if it stops there. Let's see. Anyways, that was all of the requests tonight. We did it. I'm a champion. We're under 2 hours. I feel good about it. I feel real good about it. All right, everybody. Well, since we are out of the requests, no problem at all. Here to help. Here to help. I'm going to be staying up a little bit. I'm going to be looking at the charts, seeing if I find any great opportunities. Trump at 9.66 billion market cap. That is insane. That's actually insane. But memes are here. Thanks so much, Porky. Have a good night. I will. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate you. Hopefully you all enjoy the content. Hopefully you tell your friends. Join the Discord if you're new here. It is absolutely free. Get in there. If you guys do want to become members, you guys have a great members only section inside of the Discord where I post all the trades I'm getting into. At least mostly all the trades. I forgot one last night to post, and it happened to be the one that went well. If I go in here and you guys see my downloads right here, this is the one I forgot to post. So I did that last night. So yeah, that was my bad, everybody. I forgot to post it. Did you miss FET? You did miss FET. You really did. But yeah, anyways. I guess we can look back at it real quick since I'm about to leave. FET. But yeah, FET just looks like it's doing nothing. It's just going up. As long as it stays above 123.2, you're perfectly fine on FET to then possibly see anywhere between let's go out to the 4 hour. 2 separate moves here for FET. So the first one you'd be looking at $1.78.9. Second move you'd be looking at is right here at 242.9. So that's what you'd be looking for. Velo, not Velodrome. Oh, okay. Velo, I wish I could tell you where it was going. I don't even know. Shit. Velo. Velo's doing terrible. I thought it was having a nice bullish back test. It's just dropping. Just going down. I thought it was bullishly backtesting up here. You're almost oversold on the 4 hour. Almost. How was I supposed to know people would flop to virtuals? Wait, what? Flop to virtual? I'm so confused. Well, actually, the AI agents are great because they do autonomous trading. That's the big difference. Remember, people are lazy. So if they're like, oh, I can passively make income. Remember how I mentioned there could be passive income? Yeah. You can't find Trump on TradingView? Of course not. You're going to have to go to Dex Screener because it's a brand new meme coin. Oh, yeah. So Velodrome, we're going to see if it holds support at 28587. If you do, your upside target could be absolutely nuts at 51498, or even getting all the way up to overhead resistance up there. So if you hold support, you could see this thing rally up 80 to possibly 107% upside. That's a Trump address. Yeah, that's Velodrome right now. We're just seeing where it stops. You're almost oversold on the 4 hour. It's close. It's doing terrible. And if you look at the 1 hour, you already put in some bullish divergence back here, then it just kept going. Now you're completely oversold. Where do you input that? Big Thunder, the site I like to use is this one right here. This is a good one. So I'm going to put this inside of the chat so you can go on over here, and then you just post the address in this little search bar right here. It'll pop up for you. Alrighty. Well, yeah, that's what I see out of Velodrome. It needs to find support, and when it does, it's going to have to hit it twice because this came down way too much. It's crazy oversold on the 1 hour. It is absolutely obnoxious how oversold it got on the 15-minute. This thing is ridiculous. Are you getting a JUP or Orbiter airdrop? I should be getting a Jupiter airdrop. I don't know about Orbiter. What is that one? Well, yeah, I should be getting a Jupiter airdrop. Should be. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if I get it. Well, yeah, I was using Jupiter a lot, and then Phantom Wallet just started like switching me over to Radium lately, like shortly after, which I have to change that. This is Velo, not Velodrome. It's Velo. Ton token would have stopped me out. You son of a bitch. Coming down a lot. Let's see if it holds support here. Too bad. I'm opening my beer. It's beer time. All right, everybody. I'm going to hop on out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are absolutely amazing. Hopefully, as I keep posting about all these brand new tokens popping up, you guys might take a look at them. The videos, honestly, are doing very poorly. Very, very poorly. Yeah, very poorly, if I do say so myself. The views, they're just not there. They're just not there. Cheers, man. Thank you. Well, yeah, if we view the channel, you can see the things I'm posting. Only 47 views, 62 views. I get more views in a live stream. Y'all are wild. I don't even care about the content. But hopefully one day that picks up. Anyways, I'm going to hop on out of here. I do appreciate each and every one of you. You guys take it easy. And I will see you tomorrow. Keep the stop losses tight. Enjoy the night and enjoy tomorrow. Because there will be a lot of entries. XRP sell-off. About damn time. Probably some of those XRP gains popping up. What do you mean sell-off? We're still... God damn it. Y'all need to get off these 1 minute time frames. I swear. Y'all need to get off these 1 minute time frames. God dang. Y'all have a good night. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm out. Gotta have Home Alone thumbnails for views? Oh, God. Maybe I'll put a cartoon guy with the Home Alone face.